going on, everybody? Cody Does It, back at it again with another video. Today I've got a buy here pay here tracker device. I've had a couple of these. I always charge about 2 hours. I've got a main wire for the power that goes to the jump post right here. You can see it comes around, it's got a fuse in it. That's probably one of the better ones I ever seen. Usually they don't put a fuse in it. I don't know why, or they'll usually have a fuse in the box, I guess. And you've got one wire, purple wire, in the ignition system here. See if you can see with my light, purple there, black wire that runs in and then to the box and then back to the wire. And it runs to the starter usually. Pretty sure this one will, maybe not. Not quite sure how they got this one wired in. Quick, easy 2 hours though. The wiring harness goes underneath, trails around here, and then it goes into the firewall. Kind of hard to see. Back there. Doubt you can see it. And then I'll have to get underneath the dash and pull that out. But I'm not telling anybody to pull these out of your car if you're still making payments on it. Typically they'll know whenever they can't track your location. But it is one of those things if you work in the mechanic field. And I did put a purge valve in it too. You can see that new part there. I had an engine light for that. But it's one of those things you gotta learn how to do. Not really that hard. So quick, easy 2 hours. I've been on it for maybe 10 minutes, and the rest of this will take me maybe 20, if that. As always, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video, and we'll get this car done. It's a nice 11-hour ticket. See you on the next video.